Learn English grammar in minutes. Prepositions of place and time. On, at, in. Prepositions of place. On. The ball is on the table. The clock is on the wall. The books are on the shelf. The lights are on the ceiling. The speakers are on the floor. The ball is on the bench. The plants are on the balcony. The star is on the first floor. On a bus, on a train, on a ship. Prepositions of place. At. The man is at the door. The people are at the bus stop. The man is at the signal. The lady is at the desk. The blue book is at the top, and the pink one is at the bottom. At work, at home, at the hospital, at a party, at the airport, at school. Prepositions of place. In. In a car, in a shop, in the bag, in the cupboard, in a room, in the hall. In a garden, in the sea, in the sky, in the city, in London, in the world. Prepositions of time. On, at, in. At. At 7 o'clock, at 12:30, at night, at noon, at midnight, at sunset, at Christmas, at the weekend, at the moment, at the end of the month. On. On Sunday, on Mondays, on December 20th, on the 30th of March 2020, on Friday morning, on Sunday night, on Christmas Day, on wedding day, on weekends. In. In September, in January 2020, in 2016, in summer, in winter, in the morning, in 10 minutes, in a few days, in 5 weeks. Subscribe to watch more videos on animated grammar presentations, interactive grammar exercises and vocabulary quizzes.